guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I have another parcel here from Weaver's shop, and funnily enough you guys, I do not recall making a purchase of this, but maybe this is a back order because I remember one or two that had a delay in shipping due to COVID issues. So yeah, we have a parcel to unbox, which is why we are making this video. So if you're a fan of BTS, you are definitely going to be very intrigued with this because I can guarantee you that this is one of their merch series. So if you like this kind of thing, then stay tuned for the unboxing. I already know what this is. This is their BTS Season's Greetings. Hold on, let me up and take away the box. I honestly didn't even know Weaver sent it out just yet, but oh my gosh, you guys, the visuals on this one though. Okay, so this is like a box set version. They had the set that came with the poster, but honestly you guys, I wouldn't know where to hang the poster. I don't have any empty walls in my room anymore, so I gave that a pass, even though the visuals on that one was absolutely beautiful. First and foremost, can we just appreciate the packaging? Like the holographic moment right over here, and then the visual that is BTS. This is how you open it? Yep. Okay. Wow. I'm feeling like that old school vibes with this. So you guys, I'm having a moment with this packaging because whenever I cut my blade through it, I'm just so scared that I might just like scratch the surface of the book and do something terrible to it, which I really don't want to do. So very quickly, let's skim through. The poster set. Again, very old school vibes, loving the concept. Let me also get this open for you. I'm gonna have a lot of packaging to clean up later, you guys. Okay. This is like a, oh, okay. You can remove it. Okay, so you have OT7 standing right there. I love the way how they did this though. They made it into like a little pamphlet book, and then you can remove it, and then you can do, posters that you want. My camera is just not focusing today. Okay, wow. Oh, wow. This is cute. For like framing purposes, this would be really great. And then of course you have it like in a way that it's done like a magazine, which I think personally this is really cool. So this is the little planner book that they have, a very simple outro packaging. Moving that, inside you have your dates for 2022. You also have your visuals. This is so cute. They included like a little mini like chat message. This is so cute. Oh, we have also a little tab for stickers, and then you have basically the planner, and we have the selfies, you have the group photos, and then the end. Why is this open even? Oh, okay. Here we have RM, and then we have Jin, Worldwide Handsome, and then we have Sugar, and then we have Hobie, Sunshine, and then we have Jimin looks so serious in this one, and then we have Tae, and then we have JK smiling. Oh, he looks so happy. So then we have the little notepad here. And then Namjoon. Okay, so these are set photo cards. So we have Namjoon, Jin. Wow, Jin's makeup though. Very nice. And we have Suga. Suga has a nice smile. So cute. You also have Hobie, and then you have Jimin. Tae obviously would have something drawn on him. I feel like that's very much his vibe. Let's take a closer look. And then you have JK. So there you go. We have the photo cards over here. This is a digital code inside. I can't show you guys that, but basically, yeah, you get it like this. I'm very for this concept, you guys. Like the makeup, the styling, like honestly, the hype stuff should get a raise. Oh, very, very fancy. I didn't expect this to come along with that. RM, you have Jin, Yoongi. Okay, this vibe on Hobie looks so good on him. Jimin just looks like he stepped out of a like cartoon or something, or a webtoon. Like, look at his visual though. Then you have Tae. This is another one that just stepped out of a webtoon. And then you have JK. Actually, all of them look like they stepped out of a webtoon, so they look immensely good. So for this one, I got JK, which is very rare, you guys, because I don't normally pull anyone from the Maknae line, as you guys probably saw from my previous unboxings. My Power of the Hyung line pull is very, very strong. So this is the first time getting the Maknae line, so I'm very, very happy with that. I'm guessing these are some stickers. Very, very cute. And then you also have the desk calendar, which I will open and show you guys in a minute. Basically, this is what we have in the BTS season's greetings for 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed that little unboxing moment. I'm sorry if I was a little bit like all over the place, because I honestly didn't expect this package to come so fast, but it's here. We did the unboxing and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. So till the next one, I will see you guys soon. Bye.